Hi, I would like to introduce the Rotary R146RP tabletop swing arm tire changer that's equipped with a left-hand assist. It has an external clamping range of 10 to 26 inches, an internal clamping range of 12 to 28. It'll handle a 15-inch wide wheel and up to a 45-inch diameter tire. Now let's see it in action. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use our new and improved bead breaker controls to separate the sidewall from the rim. Okay, now that we have our beads separated, we'll go ahead and put this up here on the turntable. All right, we're locked securely in position. I'm gonna bring my bead roller over here real quick. And I'll use this to assist in the lubrication. This is kind of a lower profile tire. So I'll use this and we'll make sure we get the bead lubed real good here. There we go. All right, now we'll bring in our swing arm. We'll set our head position. We'll dial our adjustment knob out so we're not actually riding on that rim. There we go. We'll get our first bead up and over. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little extra lube here on our bottom bead. There we go. All right, just pulled up into position. I'll bring my tire pressure monitor over here so we don't damage that. There we go. So now we've got our tire removed. We'll go ahead and get our new tire. We'll go ahead and lube up both beads really well. All right. So now we'll bring our tire pressure monitor, maybe about 3:30, 4 o'clock if this is 12. We'll start our rotation here. There we go, our first bead went on pretty easily. For this, I'll use my left-hand press to hold this below our mount head and in the drop center. We'll start to rotate here. Looks like it's gonna stay. Now we'll connect our air line. We'll get to our appropriate air pressure, and that's how easy it is to use the Rotary R146 tabletop swing arm tire changer.